What is 24/7 support? Do you get frustrated calling a hotline for many times and still no answer whatsoever? Do you hate bringing your machine to the store and waiting for days for the service? Do you want quick response and assistance from product manufacturers? The answer is the modern 247 support service. Many companies, especially the more established ones, provide 24/7/365 support service to their clients. What does this mean? 24/7/365 support service. This means that manufacturers or support service provides 24 hours, 7 days a week and 365 days in a year support service. It literally means there is support anytime, anywhere, any season. How it works. This is because product manufacturers outsource their service support with competent 24/7 support provider. The 24/7 support provider hires skilled, competent, and well-trained staff to attend to the needs of customers, clients, and they have enough knowledge of a variety of products. This ensures that if you are the customer of a product they serve, you will be taken care of properly. What are the services available from a 24/7 support service? Voice support. You have a warm body attending to you for your inquiries. Many consumers prefer this type of support service. However, if you are an irate consumer and you deal with voice support, you may not control your anger, and some people regret this later on. Non-voice support. This is an email support where consumers can send their requests for support and receive response direct to their inbox. This enables the support and the consumer to get fast response and interaction. Live chat support. This is one of the most preferred support services. You chat with the support operator and get the response quick. If there is no operator available, then an automated response is provided to you. 24/7 support is a benefit of the e-commerce advent. It is therefore easy to communicate to manufacturers, and your problems get attention immediately. Finally, 24/7 support is difficult if a manufacturer is doing it on his own. It is therefore necessary that you outsource your 24/7 support service if you want to ensure that you are really serving your clients 24/7. Avoid promising a 24/7 support if you are not outsourcing your support service. The reason is that if you are doing the support within your entity and your operators are not trained well, you may not be able to assist your customers as promised. Now, if you outsource your 24/7 support, then you are surely backed by experienced and well-trained 24/7 customer support. You can brag about it, and your customers will be able to enjoy it as well.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.